Want to fix TikTok drafts that won't save or that disappear on you? In this video, I will guide you on how to fix TikTok drafts not saving issue. The first thing you want to do is check your phone storage. For that, launch open settings. Then select battery and device care. Here, you want to select storage. You want to make sure that at least a few gigabytes are free. Low space can prevent TikTok from saving draft. Next, you want to update the TikTok app. For that, launch Open Play Store, search TikTok, and if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This should fix any bugs in the app. Next, you want to clear TikTok's cache. For that, open up settings again. Now, select apps. A list of all the applications will be shown. You can either search for TikTok or manually scroll down and then find the TikTok option. Now, tap on that. Now, tap on storage. Then, select clear cache. This will clear any temporary data without losing your account. Now, next thing you want to do is verify you're signed into the correct account. Drafts live in the account where they were created. Log out of TikTok, log back in with the right credentials, and check your draft. If draft still vanishes, you want to back up your account and reinstall TikTok completely. If nothing else works, you want to contact the customer support of TikTok. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.